Right now, we are digging into the express lane citations, bringing in millions of dollars for CDOT's Colorado's Transportation Investment Office, also known as CTIO. For years, we have told you about concerns regarding these citations, like issues with the signs, the placement of the entrances, and the dispute process. Well, tonight, your investigator, Karen Morfitt, continues her reporting for you, looking into the disputes now making their way into our court system.
And Karen, you're also investigating the argument that now puts the legality of thousands of tickets into question.
Yeah, and we have looked into dozens of cases involving CTIO, the branch of CDOT that runs those express lanes. These drivers have gone through the internal dispute process, and they're now in our public court system. We found some tickets are being upheld, but there are cases where a judge dismissed those violations. And if those continue to move into higher courts, they could set a precedent for thousands of other drivers. Maybe you've seen drivers getting in and out of the express lanes where they're not supposed to. Cameras used by Colorado's Transportation Investment Office, called CTIO, catch it all the time. Maybe you're even one of those drivers.
All right.
John Bolin was headed to a birthday celebration for his wife when he did it.
I got distracted by my kids enough not to follow GPS instructions, and I missed the entrance.
He doesn't deny crossing the solid white line to enter the express lane, but receipts show he never missed paying a toll. Still, he got a $75 ticket for a safety violation.
It said that the CTIO could impose a civil penalty for toll evasions. And then it had a whole definition of toll evasions. It talked all about toll evasions, but it didn't say anything about safety violations. I thought that this wasn't fair and I wanted to fight it.
Bolin is also an attorney.
Look, I may have actually broken another law, and if there was a sheriff's deputy there, he may have been able to pull me over and give me a ticket. But that's a whole different question than, can you send me something in the mail?
He argues the statute doesn't give CTIO the authority to issue safety violations and is challenging the ticket in court for himself and thousands of others likely in the same position.
Very, very few people are going to do that, and even fewer will do that successfully.
In March in Douglas County, a county court judge agreed with Bolin and tossed out the ticket. And before that, this driver, another attorney, won in Jefferson County using the same argument. In the first year of the new camera system, CTIO issued roughly $45 million in civil penalties. Losing in court would put all that revenue at risk, and the Attorney General's office is now appealing both of those cases.
They've made things difficult at every turn. And so this appears to be their strategy, which tells me that they're mostly after the money.
We found in 2024, CTIO spent nearly $1 million on internal dispute hearings, and records obtained by CBS Colorado show the Attorney General's office has taken on more than 70 cases. They've spent roughly 2,300 hours at a rate of no more than $145 an hour, costing taxpayers an approximate $300,000 so far. With so much at stake, Bolin says he's willing to take the case to the state Supreme Court.
I think I'm right on the law, and I think that it's important for a whole lot of Colorado consumers.
Now, another step that's being considered is filing a class action lawsuit. We asked CDOT for their comment on the different outcomes in these court cases and if there are concerns that this could go to the Supreme Court. In a statement, CDOT says, for matters such as this, where there is pending litigation, our comments are made through formal filings as part of the legal process. Michael and Karen, we did also reach out to the Attorney General's office for an interview, and they declined to comment.
I think Bolin's right. I think there's a lot of people in Colorado that are going to be really interested to see what happens.
We are certainly watching it closely because the next step, could be that deciding factor in the district court.
Thanks, Karen.
Karen, of course, your investigator, your neighbor, and your reporter in Jefferson County. Karen is always investigating issues our viewers are dealing with and asking those tough questions for you. So if you have a story idea for Karen, just send us a tip on our website.